Oh, before we speed it up, I'm the co-host. I'm the special guest, Sweet Dog. We over here in the B Long Show. My man B Long, aka Mickey D's, finna show y'all how to get down. So y'all men out there, pay attention. Quit being lazy. God dang. Now we back. Got the front out the way, perhaps. Now we're working on the back, so y'all take notes. Part 2, the B Long Show, with your co-host, Crazy Man, Squeak.
So we're gonna show y'all how to do these rear brakes on the Jeep Liberty real time. These the rear brakes. So as you see, ain't no pad left up on there. When you look right up in there, ain't no pad left. So we're gonna snatch these off real quick, let you see how fast it can be done and you can save your money.
The B Long Show. Save your money. It ain't funny. Save your money. Back brakes.
Like I told y'all, you want to stick this screwdriver. Whenever you got this opening, stick the screwdriver all the way through, and it come through here, and just pull it. This work on almost everything except for them stupid Fords that they put that piston on it where it twists back. So you see that right there, that piston all the way back now. Now all we gotta do is pull these. Hopefully we can just flip this caliper up. We can do that. This thing so fast it don't make no sense. And then you pay somebody
$1 million.
All that to do this, and you could do it. Pull that pin out. Yeah, don't flip up, but don't matter. All we gotta do is take the other pin out, and basically you already halfway there. See that? There go one pad. Piston already pushed back. All you gotta do is lube it up, put the other pads in, and put them pins back in.
And call it a day.
Pump up your brakes, and you're done. We're gonna go to the store, grab the pads, put some lube on there, and show you how fast we put it back together. We already got it apart. B Long Show.
B Long Show. So we back. I ain't mean to cut my man off, but we back, part 3, the B Long Show. I'm your host, your co-host, Crazy Man Squeak, and we out here doing these back brakes. As you can see, we back, so we had to go make a pit stop because we ain't had the right ones we needed. So we back. So after this commercial break, we getting set back up. We're gonna let Mr. B Long take over the show. All right, back brakes.
The only thing that matter on here is that you put the sensor at the bottom, if it got one on there. These ones don't have no sensor on them, so that's cool. We're gonna go ahead and lube this up so we can, and this is brake lube. I always use real brake lube. Don't just put grease on there. It's not, grease not made for brake parts. And don't get this on your rotor, on the shining part. It'll make your brakes squeak.
That's why the name is Squeak, because my brakes went out.
So you want to hit all the contact points with this. And then we want to push these pins out. get those out, because you need to lube those up too, so that your brakes will wear out clean and even like these did. See, they wore out just the same. And then as you see, these got a little rust on them. These need to be able to move in there, so you got to lube them up. So they can continue to move in there. That's how your brakes move back and forth, so they won't overheat. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put a little extra in here. And you just put them in just like you took them out. Push them in. And as you see, I took them out with a screwdriver, put them back in with my hand. Just got these gloves on. You just got to get it past that little rubber lip.
See how easy that was? Simple. And what those clips do?
Make it for clean, easy sliding, because they won't rust like regular metal. Put the inside pad on the inside. I'm gonna take these gloves off just so I don't get no grease on the pad. Put the outside pad on. Make sure your pins is pushed back so they won't stop you from putting this on there. Make sure this little hook go on first. And then it just slides just like that.
Easy.
Put them two pins back in and you're done.
Now you got your wing thing done.
It's the BLONGshow. Save your money. See how fast that brake job is?
No. See that? See how quick that was? That wasn't even 5 minutes. As soon as it slid down on there, you can get your wing ding done, and then you go to the other side and then you get your popping fries. We'll be back with part 3. No, that's gonna be part 4. BLONGshow. Get your views up. Stop being cheap and do it yourself. Bada boom, bada bing.
I told y'all to go get a gun.
Not a real gun. Don't get a gun. Get a gun for this.